Do you use essential oils often? These oils provide us with numerous health benefits and can soothe or alleviate symptoms of anxiety, insomnia, depression, asthma, colds, and promote a general sense of well-being. Some of them can even be used as a natural repellent or disinfectant. In today's video, we're going to talk about an oil that has many uses: tea tree oil. It is an oil with a very unique odor that is widely used as an antiseptic since it's great at fighting bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Due to its anti-inflammatory, antifungal, and healing properties, it's extremely suitable for treating dandruff. Do you still have dandruff even after trying to treat it with a special shampoo? Try using tea tree oil. It prevents dryness of the scalp and still eliminates buildup in the strands. It unclogs the follicles and nourishes the roots of your hair. Add a few drops of pure tea tree oil to your bottle of shampoo and use it as you normally would. Repelling insects. According to studies, tea tree oil repels mosquitoes and flies, which is great for people with allergies and sensitivity to mosquito bites. To get rid of the insects, you can make a spray by mixing tea tree oil with other essential oils, such as lavender or citronella, for example, and dilute the mixture with almond oil. Oral health. Due to its bactericidal action, it aids in the fight against the microorganisms that cause plaque, gum inflammation, and tartar, controlling and preventing cavities without staining. To make a homemade oral antiseptic with tea tree oil, simply add a drop of oil to a cup of warm water. Mix and rinse with it for 30 seconds. Treating nail fungi. Because it is a natural fungicide, tea tree oil helps treat ringworm in your nails and can be used alone or with other medicines. In this case, apply a few drops of the tea tree oil to the affected nail. Improving acne. Tea tree oil is a powerful antibiotic and antiseptic, yet is gentle, which reduce the bacteria that gets lodged on the skin. It can be used as a spot treatment, but when used all over, it also soothes the inflammation and redness caused by acne. If you suffer from this problem, just mix 2 drops of oil in a glass of water and apply the solution to your skin with a cotton ball. Be careful not to apply the oil straight to your face. Helping with intimate care. Due to its antifungal action, it's great at treating candidiasis. A few medicated baths a week can help treat and prevent infections. Here's what you do. Place 1 liter of warm water and 5 drops of tea tree essential oil in a bowl and mix it with your hands. Sit in the bowl for 20 to 30 minutes. Once the time is up, wash your intimate area with this water. If the itching persists, add 1 drop of tea tree essential oil to a tampon and wear it throughout the day. Cleaning the house. Tea tree oil is great for cleaning the house in general when combined with products in your closet, and it gives a refreshing smell to the environment. Want to save money and use a totally natural product at home? To clean sinks, countertops, and surfaces in general, mix 5 drops of tea tree oil, 5 drops of lavender oil, and 5 drops of mint oil. Then add them to your favorite cleaning spray. If you want to clean the floors, just mix 5 drops of tea tree oil, 5 drops of lavender oil, and 5 drops of mint oil in your usual cleaning product, a specific product for floors. For aromatherapy. Its smell is great for aromatherapy. Try relaxing your lungs and breathing through a towel that has been moistened with a solution of water and tea tree oil. Did you already know of the benefits of tea tree oil? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.